on ground. Heard the lonely whispers and the distant sound. Seen the fire burn and the ashes fall. Stood up defiant, answering freedom's call. From the backwoods holler to the city's glare, felt the weight of living everywhere. Poured the heartache, he poured the fight. Every single wrong, every single right. Took the anger, took the messy pain, washed it clean in a hard rocking rain. This ain't polished pretty, ain't always clean, just the rawest truth you've ever seen. Turn the volume up, let the speakers bleed, planting the powerful and vital seed. This ain't just noise, ain't just a beat, it's something honest, nothing hard to defeat. This is the sound of the soul, yeah, hear it roar and fly. This is the sound of the soul reaching for the sky. Every scrape and scar, every tear and every grin, it's the truth inside pouring out from within. This is the sound of a soul, unbroken and it's real, forged in the fire, made of grit and steel. If you've walked these roads, felt the strain and the stress, if you've known the chaos, known the blessed mess, if you fought your battles, faced your fears and doubts, then you'll understand what this music's all about. It's the voice of the common, the wild and the free, looking back at the world saying, yeah, that's me. From the twang of the country to the thunder of the rock, standing on the truth that can withstand any shock. This ain't gonna fade out, it's gonna linger on, the echo of our spirit in this powerful song. Guitar solo. This is the sound of the soul, yeah, hear it roar and fly. This is the sound of my soul reaching for the sky. Every scrape and scar, every tear and every grin, it's the truth inside pouring out from within. This is the sound of the soul, unbroken and it's real, forged in the fire, made of grit and steel.